In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the VAN 216 error code in League of Legends. Before we get started, please drop a like on this video, subscribe with notifications on, and if you have any questions along the way, leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Now let's jump right into the fix. First, open up your client and click on League of Legends. Then click the upper right corner of your profile, go to Settings, scroll down, and click on Repair Game Files. This will scan your installation for any missing or corrupted files. Go ahead and click it, start the repair, and wait for it to finish. You might see a loading screen while it runs. Once it's done, exit out and relaunch your game. If that doesn't fix it, here's another solution. Close out of the Riot Client, right-click it in your system tray, and exit. Also right-click on Riot Vanguard and exit that as well. Once both are closed, right-click your Start menu and restart your PC. After it restarts, relaunch your game, and it should be fixed since Vanguard will have relaunched fresh. Next, press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog, type in Services MSC, and hit OK. A window will pop up. It might open minimized, so check your taskbar. Scroll down until you find the entry labeled VGC. Right-click it, select Properties, and under the General tab, find Startup Type. Click the drop-down, select Automatic, then click Apply and OK. For this to fully take effect, restart your PC one more time. That should resolve the VAN 216 error code for good. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching.